A Chrome Black 2-box Bird 5590. Make sure we're going to my names, and we are. Good luck here, guys. Dice roll 8 times. Teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rockies up top. The A's at the bottom. And 8 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Floyd Flores up top. Ryan Bowersock at the bottom. Got to fix your name here, Floyd. Give me 1 second. Let's sort them out. Chrome Black 2-box Bird. And there is your squads. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Here we go. Two more boxes, Chrome Black. Getting 4 left in that case. Grab them on the website. Just 4 squads left in the full case. Base auto, rookie ink. For the Atlanta Braves, A.J. Smith-Shawver. Atlanta going to Ryan Bowersock. On the ink. Got a green to 99 coming up. First up, Pete Crow Armstrong on the rookie for Chicago. Heston for the Baltimore Orioles on the rookie. Going to Richard. Lots of rookies in this stuff. For Washington, Blake Rutherford. 69 out of 99. Nice. Going to Washington and Wallace Holmes. Box 2. Got our pack and our ink. That's red auto. Is that to 5? 5 out of 5 on the red ink. This could be big. 5 out of 5. For the New York Mets, how about Brandon Nimmo? Red refractor, 5 out of 5 for David Harris. Beauty there. Nimmo to 5. You love to see red refractors. 5 out of 5, Brandon Nimmo. So we got another green as well. We got Francisco Alvarez, another one there for the Mets. Wade Meckler for the Giants. And another Andrew Rabbit, this time 81 out of 99 on the green wave. Cincinnati going to Mike Carter on the Andrew Abbott to 99. Quick recap. Got Andrew Abbott to 99, Wade Meckler, Alvarez, Blake Rutherford to 99, Heston, Crow Armstrong, A.J. Smith-Shawver, and Brandon Nimmo, 5 out of 5 on the red refractor auto. Nice card there going to David Harris. Again, that is the break, everybody. Appreciate the fill.